All right, this video, let's talk about, do I need a huge audience? No, you don't, guys, okay? So let's say if you're consistently building your email list, okay, especially when you're doing affiliate marketing, guys, think of it like this. If you have 500 leads, okay, if you have 500 leads that are buyers, instead of just, because these are, let's say you have 10,000 leads that are freebies. And I'm going to explain what I mean by freebies, okay? So when it comes towards building your email list, guys, if you guys can just get 500 leads that are buyers, that are nurtured, okay, like you built an actual relationship with them within your list, your email list, this is more better than having 10,000 leads that are freebie seekers, okay? So when you guys have to really understand this, when it comes towards freebie seekers, I've noticed in the spaces that they're not getting the right type of lead. Okay, there's so many different leads out there. So you have to really understand this, that just because you are dialed in towards your target audience doesn't mean they are buyers. Like, for example, if you guys are going through social medias and you notice that a lot of these people are selling t-shirts, right? These big YouTubers, chances are those guys are not buying, okay? Because they are not buyers. They're not relevant towards the interest of people who are going in towards your emails, okay? So what I mean by this is that, let's say you have a landing page, okay? And on my 7-part free training series, I teach you how to build this landing page and thank you page and so much more in that free training. So you guys can see that it is so important to have the right leads that are going in towards your business, okay? So if you have just pure freebie seekers, okay, what happened is that even though people are opting in, so let's say you're getting high email opt-in rates, but they're just a bunch of freebie seekers and people who are already established that kind of business that you guys are tapping into. So what happened is that they're not going to buy. Maybe a few people are going to buy. Okay, so you have to really understand this, because you could be running paid ads, okay, and getting these types of people in towards your landing page, and you're collecting these valuable emails. What happened is that if your targeting is off, you're going to waste a lot of time, okay? So this whole point of this training is that you have to really understand this, okay? Like your targeting is so crucial when it comes towards your lead capture page, and that is tailored towards your business. You have to really understand this, because I'd rather have 500 leads that are buyers, that are relevant, that are interested in my business, over 10,000 leads. And I mean by everyone, right? You can pull this off, let's say 10,000 leads, pulling it off that are relevant. That is, let's say you open like a home food business, for example, because there's a higher demand where people who are interested in eating those food, if that makes sense, right? So when it comes towards this, you have to really dialed in towards that. And this training is, do you need a huge audience? No, you don't, okay? If you guys can have 500 leads slash buyers, depending on the price point that you are selling based on the offer, no, you don't, because if these 500 leads that are buyers, and you nurtured them, you built a relationship with them, and they actually trust of who you are as a brand, right? So what happened is that you are going to have these buyers for life, okay? Over these 10,000 leads that are freebie seekers who are that are just looking for free stuff. So you have to really understand this kind of aspects, and this is like crucial, okay? So I just wanted to go and create this training because I've been hearing a lot in this space that you need a big audience, you need a big audience. Let me tell you something. In order to have that huge audience, it takes time. But just start off small, okay? Don't compare yourself with other people that has like a humongous list, okay? So you have to start off small and it starts to compound over from time. Okay, so this training is just, you just need 500 leads that are buyers. Of course that if you have more buyers, the better, of course. But in this training, it's more focused towards, do I need a huge audience? No, you don't. Okay. Hope that gives you some more relief when it comes towards this training. And if you guys would like to check out my free 7-part free training series, it's underneath this video or somewhere above this video. And I'll see you guys in the next